Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add columns in your documents on Microsoft Office Word. So the first step that you have to do is to open your Microsoft Office document. Then here you will find your ribbon to insert uh, a column. All you have is to go to the layout ribbon here, and here we will find the page setup section. We will click on column, and here you can insert whatever column you want. But if you want to customize or to add a customized column, all you have is to go to this option here. After we click, here you will find the setups of the columns, and then we can add the styles or the number of columns as you can see, and we can even control the spacing of the lines or the columns, also their widths and spacings. And as you can see, we can even check or do each column into its own presets. And if we want to have them separated by a line, we have just click this line between. As you can see, if we are going to insert just a random text, you will find that the columns has been added, and they have been added well. Let's just do it another time, and we are going to change the options. Let's take off the line between, for example. Let's uh, do some settings here and just play with the form so we can see the change. As you can see, this is how you add columns and edit them on Microsoft Office Word. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.